Good morning.
Morning.
How are you today? Okay, great. Okay, I will check the attendance. Ali Ramadhani, present. Good. Anissa,
Present.
good. Azwa,
Present.
yes. Today we will discuss about greeting cards. You know what is greeting card? Greeting card is a card that you have to make to someone that's congratulate to someone about birthday, graduation, anniversary, and others. Greeting cards have a characteristic on the structure. Number one is greeting cards. Number one is sender. What is sender? In Indonesia, sender is pengirim. Pengirim. And then number two is content. What is content in Indonesia? Content in Indonesia is isi atau isi pesan yang akan kamu sampaikan ke teman kamu apa ya. And then receiver. What is receiver? It is sender that will be any receiver. Kalau ada pengirim berarti harus ada pengirim. Okay. Please open your textbook page 70. Silakan dibuka pakai kalian halaman 70. And then you have to identify and analyze where is the sender, where is the content, and where is the receiver. Silakan kalian menganalisis beberapa contoh yang terdapat pada buku paket tersebut. Kalian identifikasi siapa pengirimnya, ya, apa isi dari greeting card tersebut, dan siapa penerima dari greeting card tersebut. Understand? Okay, student, I will test you. Okay, Anissa, from picture number 2, who is the sender?
The sender is me.
Okay, good. And what is the content of the text?
The content is happy wedding day.
Happy wedding day. Okay, good. And then, who is the receiver?
The receiver is Uncle Ivan and Auntie Tutu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, student, that's all for today. Remember, today we have discussed about greeting cards. And that's all for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.